Hello, my name is Professor Stijn Niessen. I'm an honorary professor at the Royal Veterinary College. I work as an independent internist. I do research, education, clinics. I work for the European branch of the Veterinary Information Network. I do all that, but nowadays it's very difficult for me to do that job without feeling depressed. Feeling depressed about what's going on just a few hours flying from where we all are working and where we are doing our job as veterinarians. Some of our colleagues, many of our colleagues in Ukraine have had to stop doing their profession, flee their homes, flee their practices, or go and live in the basements of their practices because their country, their independent, free country, has been attacked by a neighboring country. And this is in Europe, in our Europe. This is awful, and it's therefore difficult to stand by and do nothing. Like many, I do not have solutions either. But I also feel it as our duties as people with a heart, to not stay silent. Have a look at the picture next to me. Can you imagine having to drop off your family at the border of your own country, say goodbye to your children, not knowing if you will ever see them again, then returning to try and defend your home against an aggressor? Can you imagine that very moment when you put your family on a bus and see that bus driving away? We get numb very easy, right? This war is now a month old, and we start to pay attention to the Oscars. The Oscars don't matter. This matters. What can we do? Probably too little. But at the very least, we can choose not to look away. I'm very grateful for Daniela, for all the colleagues joining in this appeal for donations for the Ukrainian cause. And this is our little, very, very little effort in not looking away from this criminal activity going on against a free democratic European country. Please consider donating to this appeal. Please consider helping our brothers and sisters in Ukraine, our colleagues, our veterinarian colleagues in Ukraine. That's perhaps very little, but at least it is something. This Wednesday, the 30th, I will be holding a seminar about one of my favorite topics, Cushing's disease. Hoping to see many of you there. I will try to make it as interesting and fun as possible to teach you how to diagnose Cushing's disease in a very easy way using the latest of research that we've come up with through artificial intelligence. So it's going to be a great seminar with an awful background, of course. So let's try to stick together as a profession I know has a humongously big heart, and let's show that heart for the Ukrainian people. Please share this message to your friends and colleagues. Every single person that contributes to this appeal can make a little difference. Let's not look away.